Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare vegetable masala khichdi. The ingredients required to make this recipe are: I have taken 2 cups of rice, 1.5 cup of dal, 4 potatoes. I've cut them slightly bigger in pieces because they were small potatoes. Ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, salt, cumin powder, little bit red chili powder, turmeric powder. Here I have chopped 1 tomato, 1 big onion, 4 green chilies, little bit coriander leaves for garnishing. Here I have I've taken little bit green peas, along with it some green beans, French beans. Here I have taken small cauliflower, and I have taken out the florets into small pieces. I'm going to prepare my khichdi with mustard oil because I love the flavor of mustard oil. Apart from all this, I'm going to add water to my recipe. You can add any other oil. You can also add carrots to your recipe, which I'm not adding right now. So now let's get started. Here my oil is heated. I have added 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now I will add the onion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first cook my vegetables, half cook my vegetables actually, and then I'll add my dal and I'll mix it together, and then at the end I'm going to add my rice because I'm using the small scented rice which will get cooked very fast. I'll saute my onions for a while. Now I'm going to add all the spices to it. So I've added all the spices, the coriander powder, the cumin powder, the ginger garlic paste, the red chili powder and the turmeric powder along with the salt. So what I will do, I'll just cook the spices so that the rawness of the spices finishes here. I've added all the vegetables to the masalas. First the tomato, then the green chilies, then the potatoes, then I have added the green peas, French beans, cauliflower, and now I'm going to cook them all together, saute them and cook them with water so that they get at least half cooked. My vegetables are slightly cooked, so I'm going to add my moong dal to it. Remember, I'm going to add my rice later on. I've washed my dal and now I will mix it and cook it for near about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I finish sauteing the dal with my vegetables. Now I am going to add the last step, that is the rice. I am using small scented rice for my khichdi. I have washed them and kept them aside. So I'm going to just mix everything together on a low flame. I have added the rice and mixed it well with the dal. Now I will add appropriate water. I'll add little bit more turmeric powder to this. I'll cover and bring the solution to boil. My khichdi is almost done, so I am going to add the coriander leaves. And give it a nice mix. My healthy one-pot meal is now ready. Let's put off the flame and garnish it. Here is our delicious vegetable masala khichdi ready. You can add carrots to give more color to it. Isn't it easy to make? I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. Till then, see you soon. Bye.